Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the service portal in ServiceNow. This is the first slide, so I want to start by welcoming you all and sharing what we'll be covering. We'll look at how the service portal works, its key features, and how it can improve your service delivery. Let's get started. Welcome to the introduction of the service portal. The service portal is a modern, user-friendly interface within ServiceNow that makes it much easier for users to interact with the platform. Instead of relying on the traditional, often complex UI, this portal provides a streamlined experience. It allows customers and employees to perform a variety of actions, such as submitting requests, reporting issues, accessing knowledge articles, and engaging in self-service activities, all in a more intuitive way. The design and functionality are built using popular technologies like AngularJS, Bootstrap, and the ServiceNow widget framework. These tools help create a responsive, engaging, and efficient interface that aligns with the overall goal of making service management more accessible and user-centric. This slide really highlights how the service portal supports our broader mission to improve user experience and streamline service delivery. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make this platform so versatile and user-friendly. First, we have responsive design, which ensures that the interface works seamlessly across both desktop and mobile devices. This means users can access and interact with the platform anytime, anywhere, without any hassle. Next, we have the widgets-based architecture. This is all about reusable components, allowing us to customize and build pages quickly and efficiently while maintaining consistency throughout the system. It's a real-time saver and helps keep everything looking professional. Customizable themes and branding are also central. They allow organizations to tailor the look and feel to match their corporate identity, making the experience more familiar and engaging for users. We also support integration with knowledge base and service catalogs, which helps streamline information sharing and service delivery, making it easier for users to find what they need and get support faster. Role-based access control, or RBAC, is another critical feature. It ensures that users only see and do what they're permitted to, enhancing security and simplifying management. Multi-language support is included too, which is essential for global organizations seeking to serve diverse user bases without language barriers. Finally, dynamic content and UI policies mean the platform can adapt based on user roles, preferences, or other conditions, providing a more personalized and relevant experience. All these features together really underscore how this platform is designed to be flexible, secure, and adaptable. Key points that align with our overall goal of creating a user-centric, scalable solution. Let's take a closer look at the architecture overview. First, the portal serves as the overall site container, like the employee portal, providing a unified space for users. Within this portal, we have pages, which are essentially layouts designed to display one or more widgets. These widgets are the core functional units. They're reusable and include HTML, client-side scripts, server scripts, and CSS, making them versatile and customizable. Next, themes play a crucial role in controlling the visual appearance. Think of colors, fonts, and logos to ensure branding consistency across the portal. Menu and navigation define how users move seamlessly between different pages, creating an intuitive user experience. Finally, the portal integrates key content elements such as record producers, catalog items, and knowledge articles, making sure all necessary information and actions are readily accessible. All of these components work together to create a cohesive, functional, and user-friendly portal environment. Let's talk about customization and configuration, which are key to tailoring the service portal to meet your organization's needs. First, you can modify branding elements like logos, color schemes, and layouts to ensure your portal reflects your brand identity. Next, you have the flexibility to add or edit widgets, incorporating custom HTML, CSS, and AngularJS code to create dynamic and engaging user experiences. You can also configure portal settings through the Service Portal section, which helps you manage how users interact with your portal. Managing pages and routing is another critical aspect. It allows you to control navigation paths and ensure users find what they need efficiently. Record producers are powerful tools for creating tailored forms for specific requests, streamlining processes for your users. Additionally, applying UI policies and client scripts enables you to control field behavior dynamically, showing or hiding fields, making them mandatory, or validating input on the fly. Altogether, these customization options give you the control to create a user-friendly, branded, and efficient portal experience that aligns perfectly with your overall service management strategy. Let's take a look at some example use cases to see how these portals can really make a difference in daily operations. First, the IT service portal. This is where users can request laptops, reset passwords, or track ongoing incidents. It streamlines its support, making it faster and more efficient for everyone involved. Next, the HR portal. Here, employees can apply for leave, view company policies, or raise HR cases. It simplifies HR processes and enhances employee experience by putting key services at their fingertips. Then we have the facilities portal. This is used for requesting maintenance or assets, helping facilities teams respond promptly and keep everything running smoothly. Finally, there are the student and employee portals. These are role-specific dashboards that provide self-service options tailored to each user's needs. Whether it's accessing academic resources or managing work-related tasks, these portals empower users to handle their responsibilities independently. Overall, these portals exemplify how digital solutions can improve service delivery, increase efficiency, and support different user roles seamlessly within the organization. Now, let's take a closer look at configuring the service portal. This is a crucial step in ensuring your portal is tailored to your organization's needs. First, if you've upgraded from an older version, you'll want to apply updates to keep everything current and secure. Next, creating or updating the portal involves defining its URL, setting the homepage, organizing the menu, and linking key content like your knowledge base or service catalog. This helps users navigate easily and find the information they need. When it comes to branding, you can use the branding editor or custom CSS to set colors, add logos, and choose themes that match your corporate identity. This creates a consistent look and feel across your portal. Building or modifying pages and widgets allows you to customize layouts and functionalities, making sure the portal works just the way your users expect. Configuring search is also vital. By setting up search sources and enabling AI search, you improve the relevance and efficiency of your users' search experience. Finally, managing access ensures that the right people see the right content. You can control this through roles, user criteria, single sign-on, or multi-factor authentication, enhancing both security and user experience. All these steps come together to create a seamless, branded, and secure service portal that supports your organization's service delivery goals. When designing your portal, it's important to think about how you organize content across different pages. Using pages helps ensure your site is responsive on mobile devices and creates meaningful, user-friendly experiences for your customers. A page acts as a container that holds rows and containers, which in turn contain widgets. By adjusting the layout of these elements, you can craft exactly the user experience you want to deliver. Remember, each page is identified using a unique page ID, making it easy to reference and manage. And here's a useful tip. You can reference the same page in multiple portals, which promotes consistency and efficiency. Additionally, you can leverage base system pages as templates, saving time and ensuring standardization across your portals. When creating new portal pages, keep these principles in mind. Thoughtful layout and widget placement are key to engaging and effective user experiences. Now, let's talk about containers. These are essentially markup artifacts that we place on a page to organize and hold the layouts that contain our widgets. Think of them as the building blocks that structure our page, making sure everything is neatly organized and easy to manage. You can view and understand how these containers come together by using the Service Portal Designer. To do this, navigate to Service Portal, then Service Portal Configuration, and open the Designer. Once you're in, open a page, and when you click on any element on that page, you'll see breadcrumbs appear in the top left corner. These breadcrumbs show you exactly which element you've selected, including the containers. Using these breadcrumbs, you can easily select a container and then click the Edit icon to make adjustments. This process helps you see how containers shape your page layout, which is crucial for customizing and optimizing your service portal experience. Remember, containers are key to building a well-structured and user-friendly portal. Widgets are what truly define the content of your portal pages. You can choose from the base system widgets that come with Service Portal, or you can clone and modify existing widgets, or even develop your own custom widgets to meet your specific needs. In the Service Portal Designer, adding widgets is straightforward. You simply search for the widget you want and drag it onto the page from the widget filter. Now, let's talk about the base system widgets. These are built-in, read-only widgets that you can easily use and configure through their instance options. One big advantage is that they stay current with future updates, so you don't have to worry about maintaining them yourself. When you add a widget to a page, you're creating what's called a widget instance. Each instance is unique, with its own location, properties, and CSS. It's important to remember that if you edit the base widget, all instances that use it will be affected. But if you edit a specific instance, only that one is changed. For example, you might have multiple instances of an icon link widget on the same page, each with different settings. This flexibility allows you to customize your portal pages precisely how you want. Using portal widgets effectively means understanding these concepts, so you can build rich, dynamic pages that serve your users well. Now, let's talk about icon link widgets. One important thing to keep in mind is that for widgets that don't have any information by default, you need to configure their options before they will actually appear on your portal page. This step is crucial because, without proper configuration, these widgets won't display the content you expect. So, when you're working with icon link widgets, make sure to customize their settings beforehand. This ensures they function correctly and provide a seamless experience for users. Remember, this step connects directly to the overall theme of customizing and optimizing your portal, making it more user-friendly and visually appealing. Now, from any page you're viewing within the service portal, you have an incredibly handy shortcut. If you hold down the CTRL key and right, click on any widget, a context menu will appear with more configuration options. This is a quick way to access settings without navigating away from the page. For example, let's say you're on the Service Portal homepage. If you click on the Knowledge Base widget while holding CTRL, you'll see a menu pop up with options to customize or configure that widget directly. This widget context menu is a powerful tool because it allows you to modify and manage widgets on the fly, making your workflow more efficient. It ties into the overall theme of streamlining the administration and customization of your portal, giving you more control right at your fingertips. So remember, whenever you're working on a portal page, this shortcut can save you time and make your widget management much more intuitive. Let's take a moment to explore some of the key benefits of this new approach. First, it simplifies the user experience by providing an intuitive user interface. That means users can navigate and complete their tasks more easily, which reduces frustration and saves time. Next, by enabling self-service options, we significantly cut down the support workload. Users can resolve many issues or requests on their own without needing to contact support staff, making the process more efficient for everyone. Another important benefit is improved transparency in request status. Users can easily see where their requests stand at any given moment, which builds trust and keeps everyone informed. This all leads to a higher level of employee satisfaction. When the experience is smoother and more transparent, employees feel more valued and engaged. Finally, these improvements enable us to deliver services faster. Quicker response times and streamlined processes mean we can meet needs more promptly, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of enhancing operational efficiency. Now, let's wrap up with the conclusion. The service portal truly is the front face of ServiceNow. It's what users see and interact with daily, serving as the gateway to digital workflows. Its design is fully customizable, meaning it can be tailored to match any organization's branding and processes. This flexibility ensures it fits seamlessly into your existing environment. Most importantly, the service portal plays a crucial role in enabling self-service. It empowers users to find solutions quickly on their own, which is a key part of digital transformation. Overall, it's an essential tool that enhances user experience while supporting your organization's move toward more efficient digital operations. Thank you so much for your attention today. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope that the insights and information shared have been helpful and inspiring. Remember, the key points we discussed, whether it's the importance of innovation, teamwork, or continuous improvement, are all essential to achieving success. I encourage you to take these ideas and apply them in your own work and projects. Together, we can make a real difference. Once again, thank you very much for being part of this session. I look forward to seeing what you will accomplish moving forward.